Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. Have not made a video in a few days, and today is Thursday, um, and I'm not sure we've made one this week. So what I was going to do is I was going to do a quick review of the entire week and show you how we've done. Um, let's go back. You know what? I'm just gonna go over today's trading because the whole week is going to be just a little bit problematic. Um, let's take a look at the Russell first. Now we had 5 trades today and we had 5 winners. Um, and I also want to go into a little bit of detail on the on how again, some people are asking how we calculate our ATM based on our ATM strategy, how we calculate our net equity for the day. Now our first target is 5 ticks, and when we hit 5, we start with 4 contracts. First target's 5 ticks, and we hit 5. We take 2 off for $100, and we move to break even, and then we're still in with 2. So if it comes back to break even, we're out, and we make $100 on a 5-tick trade. So this trade, this is actually a pre-market trade. Whoops, I didn't scale it right because it went 5. Yep, it was 8 o'clock, 8 and change. And these trades just rocketed down. Oops, scale that one wrong too here. These both went 5. Um, and then I was doing some customer service, talking to people in our trading room, and I missed this entry, which is a very, very lucrative entry. And if I would have taken this entry, it would have been the end of our trading day. But it wasn't a catastrophe. I just have to spend less time talking to people in the trading room and more time. But that was a 23-tick trade, and this was all pre-market, 9 o'clock in the morning. Then the Russell, unfortunately, it opened right here at 9:30 along a yellow modified 15 that we don't trade. But then we had this really nice trade here, which I did not take and didn't miss. I saw it, but it was a break of the 15, modified 15 here, retracement to the modified 15 here, and then a move down. I didn't take it because it was 9:33:30, only 3 minutes into the Russell Open, and I'm a little bit conservative about taking trades right into the open of the market. I like to give the Russell about 5 minutes, and you can see the trade just fired down, and the Russell never came back to us. It just continued down and down, oversold. Finally, it did come back, and we got a nice trade here. We let the market break, took the retracement, and down we went for 8. Hold on 1 second here. Then I'm gonna have to let that phone ring. I apologize for that. Then you see we had this nice move down, retracement, and we went for 10 ticks. So we had 4 trades on the Russell, and we had 4 winners. We did really, really well on the Russell today. Then, and that was the second target win. Second target, when it hits plus 10, is we're out at our third and fourth contracts at 100 each. That's a $300 trade. So if the trade goes 12 ticks, 15 ticks, 18 ticks, we make no more money on the trade. We are out of the trade at plus 10, 2 off at plus 5, 2 off at plus 10, break even with our first target, and then we're on a 5-tick trailer. Now on crude oil, we had another trade. You can see why we handle chops so well, because we wait for the break, the retracement, and then we went down for 6. Now we have a direct entry system, and we have a video on it. You can see it. And what I did was I hired a new employee today to take the direct entry orders for me when I call them out, because sometimes I don't have such great vision and I'm a little slow on the draw on it. So I want to get them into the direct entry system in order to get the trades to everyone in our room and put them in their trader. And I called a trade here, and she put it at the wrong level. It hurt us because it gave everybody in the room a loser. But what I was looking for was the market to continue. See, we got the break and the retracement, and what I was looking for was an entry here. Never happened, so there was no trade here. But she put the entry in at the wrong order, and we got filled, and we took a 10-tick loss. So mistakes aside, we still booked it as a loss because people in the room took it as a loss. If I can find my typing here. Here we go. Now this is another nice trade. We were just through for the day. Break, retracement. Look at that beautiful short on crude. Again, break, retracement, gorgeous short. Maybe I stopped a little too soon because these are two tremendous trades. I would have taken them both. Two targets here, 13. And 16. Distance from the modified 15 here. 17. Yep, it's within our safe zone. These would have been two great trades. I just held up because we had 5 winners. On the Russell, we had plus 5, plus 5, plus 8, plus 10. On crude, we were plus 6. Now, we had, unfortunately, this minus 10, which was just a misfire. It was a no trade. Our net ticks were plus 24, including this misfire trade. Our net equity was 380, including a $400 loss on the trade that should not have been taken. The auto trader, we had no trade so far. So today, really, in trading, we had 5 trades, 5 winners. We had a more modest net equity because our new person entered a trade at the wrong level. It executed, and it should not have. Now, starting on Monday, October 13th, we are going to begin to trade the E-mini S&P. It offers us great trading opportunities, and there's no liquidity issues, no fill issues. There should be almost no slippage issues. I trade it in my own account, and here was the first trade on the E-mini. It went for 2.75 points. The retracement right back to the modified 15. It went for 2.5 points. So right here, we got, it went for 3.25 points. So between these two trades, this is 6 points on the ES. And then I took this trade long right here, and this went for 1 point. That's our 7th point. I did not take this long. I didn't take this long. And then I stopped. But, of course, there was more trades. This short here would have been 1.5 points. and it's just been a wonderful, wonderful chart to trade. We're going to add this, and we're going to start trading it on Monday. So that's it. Again, we welcome everyone to come into the room um, to see how we trade. Again, we have a lot of people in the room. And let me just rescale these charts and bring up my little JPEG here. Whoops, wrong one, I'm sorry. Sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. You can go to www.rightlinetrading.com to see there's links there for our daily net equity in the trading room. There's links there for our daily net equity on the auto trader, and there's also a link there to sign up for our free trial to our room. Go to info@rightlinetrading.com. You can call us anytime at 1-855-765-6681. We are always around. And if you just want to see a nice picture here, I usually don't do this, but I'll show it to you. That's a picture of me and my son. Too big. There we are. So now you know what I look like, and you know what he looks like. So everyone, listen, have a great day, and we look forward to seeing everybody in the trading room. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.